Buying a new boat is exciting, but safety should always come first. While it might be tempting to hit the water as soon as possible, it's essential to ensure that you have everything you need to stay safe. Some essential safety items include life jackets or other flotation devices, whistles or horns, marine VHF radios, first aid kits, food, water, extra clothes or blankets. And don't forget an anchor. Life jackets and other flotation devices should be a top priority when outfitting your boat. You should have a life jacket for every person on board and a few extras in different sizes. It's also wise to have a flotation tube or similar device that can be thrown into the water if necessary. A whistle, horn, or other loud sound device is incredibly important in an emergency, where visibility might be low, and you need to alert nearby boats or rescuers to your location. A marine VHF radio is an essential safety component that every boater should have on board. It's especially crucial for boaters who venture out into the open ocean, where there might be few other boats or people around. A first aid kit should always be on board in case of an emergency, and learning basic medical skills like CPR can be incredibly helpful. Food and water are essential for any boat trip, even if you're only planning to be on the water for a short amount of time. Extra clothes or blankets will help keep you warm and dry if the weather changes unexpectedly. Finally, make sure that you have an anchor that's suitable for the size of your boat and the conditions you'll be boating in. An anchor will help anchor your boat in place and keep it from drifting away. Outfitting your boat with these essential safety items might seem like a hassle or an extra expense, but it will ultimately help keep you and your passengers safe and allow you to enjoy your time on the water with peace of mind. For over 20 years and all around the world, TheYachtMarket.com has been helping boat buyers find their perfect boat. TheYachtMarket.com. Helping you live the dream.